Yo, it is the market recap. I'm going to show you how I use technical analysis. Today is October 2nd, 2021. The market is officially closed. Let's check out the chart and let's see if there are any clues for how the market can perform next week. First and foremost, thank you for the shares. Thank you for the likes. If you like what you've been hearing, what you've been seeing, hit that subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let's have a conversation. You know where to contact me at. Let's get to the market. All right. S&P closed at 43.5704. Record high made about 3 weeks ago, 45.85. Let's check and see if we got anything giving us clues for what could happen. So we've been tracking this and we've got our uptrend. All of that's been going well. Noted over the past 2 weeks, we want to see the performance of how it reacts to the 20-day moving average. We've seen low weeks, and we want to see how it reacts again. So last week we looked at how it reacted. Here we are now. Got 2 down weeks. We got one that bounced, and now we're testing out that 20-day moving average. See how that reacts. We got to see how that reacts. We need the confirmation. You always want the confirmation in the world of technical analysis. We got everything checked out here. If we get a close below this, that's when we're going to say the market is continuing to pause. So right now I am on caution for the market in general. So that is the S&P. Let's check out IWM for the Russell. Russell closed at 222.28. Record high remains the same, 234.53. And we've stayed in our range. Now, last week we indicated how the 50-day moving average is starting to creep into this zone we have been playing for most of the year, and how we're likely going to get a dramatic move. So this week we had a spinning top close, and that is a signal of indecision. Something is about to happen, and we are going to make a big move out of this range, because we had been to it, kind of bounced around for a little bit. Now you can see those bounces are starting to get consolidated. They are shorter. Any form of life, stock market included, whenever you have compression, you get a big move. Just think of anything as far as compression is concerned like a spring. You get tighter coils, get a bigger bounce. We're going to get a big bounce at some point in time. In technical analysis, you don't know what that time is. All you know is that the market is going to move. With that being said, something is going to happen fairly quickly, because you know you can only hold that coil in for so long before it either busts out of your hands, out of a machine, whatever it may be. Something's going to happen. That's all you need to understand. It could happen in either direction, but you know that that big move is coming. So that is IWM. Let's go ahead and take it to the Dow streaks. That is ticker. Get my typing right. DJ $DJI. All right. Dow closed at 34,326.46. Record high is 35,631.19. So this is the one we noted the week before, where we put our support. Instead, we've seen it go higher. We've seen the touches here. Last week we had our touch there. This week we had our touch there again, and it moved back towards that 20-day moving average. That 20-day moving average is starting to curve. That's usually a signal of things starting to flatten out. So the Dow is also showing some signals of being stagnant for a while. So we're going to wait until we get confirmation for which direction it really wants to go. We've been range bound now for, what is that? That's showing April. So since April, the Dow has been just going back and forth, and we're waiting for that confirmation out of there too. All right, and that's the Dow. Now let's check out, lastly, the Nasdaq NDX. Nasdaq closed at 14,791.87. Record high is 15,701.40. And this is the one where we noted the bearish engulf, and that would be a signal of the market pausing or a reversal. Right now we do not have confirmation of a reversal, although we do have it closed below this level. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put our line to indicate what that support is going to be. In this case, we're going to find where we're at. So let's follow it here. At what point do we have multiple touches? We have 2 touches there. Here, we also have a few touches. So we got a range right in this area. Remember, with support, it's not an exact science. It's always going to be an area. So, are we comfortable with putting it there? I feel comfortable with that. We're going to mark that right around here. We've got quite a few touches here, and then now we got a touch there. So this is also defending its 20-day moving average. Got a close near it. We want to see if it can hold up. So that is the Nasdaq. Overall, ladies and gentlemen, the market is giving us signals of it wanting to rest. We've got the S&P testing out its 20-day moving average. We've got IWM still in its range. However, the 50-day is now starting to creep into its range to see if it can make a dramatic move. We have the Dow showing us pause signals, and we also have the Nasdaq showing us pause signals as well. So out of the 4 indexes, only one is giving some type of signal of life for trying to move higher. The other 3 are saying, whoa, we might want to relax here. So with all that being said, I'm looking for next week to make a decision or continue to stay in that range. I don't see anything happening as far as a big move just yet, but that is my personal technical analysis. So get outside. All of this market stuff is great. Remember, you gotta get outside. Life is about life. That finance stuff, great. We all need to do that. But get you some sunlight, drink some water, get some laughter. Do those 3 things, you have a great weekend. I want you to do that. Got any other questions? Make sure you hit me up. That's wincrease20@gmail.com. And we will check you later, all right? Peace.